DJI Mavic 3 Unboxing Plus. Got that coming up next. Build a Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Mavic 3 has finally arrived, so I went ahead and did an unboxing today. Plus, we also took a look at the Tripltek tablet and the holder that I'm going to be using for the tablet from DJI, plus an extra DJI battery. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing for the Mavic 3, so let's get at it here. Now, I just purchased the base package. I did not purchase the Firmware package, so let's go ahead and take a look at things here. There's a QR code on the top of the box here. Take a look and see. And let's go ahead and get the Mavic 3 out. I'm going to go ahead and look at the actual Mavic 3 itself. This is the first time I believe DJI has ever placed it in a pouch, a plastic protective pouch. You can see it's held in place by this cover here, which is unique for the drone itself. You can see the props are already on, but this is a very secure system here. It's holding the props in place. It's holding the gimbal in place instead of the plastic gimbal cover, which was always very interesting, being able to put that on, take that on and off. There's a quick release here for this, and this comes off. Apparently, it looks like it's very easy to get on and off for the drone, so that is very interesting here. So let's go ahead and unfold it. There's the wonderful camera. Looking forward to getting a lot of great video from that. Here it is from the side. It is from the back. Let's also, this is where access for the SD card and the port to go ahead and charge the battery, and you can see the rear sensors on the back here. Let's look from this side right here. Let's also turn around and take a look. You can see all the sensors on the bottom of the aircraft. It is incredibly aerodynamic. We've noticed how thin the arms are on this. This is very interesting, and I'm looking forward to getting a lot of great flights from it. On the bottom, the propellers. Now in the side pocket here, we have a controller. Let's go ahead and open that up. See the controller here. You can see the joysticks for the controller. Back of it, there's the antenna right here. This looks to be charging for the Mavic 3 right there. And this accessories pouch, let's go ahead and open this up. Now we have extra joysticks right here. We have the USB cable. And we have the cables to hook up to the controller to your smartphone or tablet right here. And in the side pocket here, quick start guide. safety guidelines. I believe probably warranty information as well. Okay, and that's it for the Mavic 3. Now let's go ahead and we're going to take a look at, I also purchased this Mavic Air 2 remote controller tablet holder. It will obviously work with the Mavic 3. So let's go ahead and we're going to open this up here. And here this is right here. This fits right around the controller for the Mavic 3. It looks secure. It feels very solid, very substantial here. So this looks to be a good item. I know several people have highly endorsed this. Also, I purchased an extra battery for the Mavic 3. Let's go ahead and open that up. You can see here's the extra battery. I'm not getting any indication as far as the charge status is concerned, but this is going to work on charging this up. One of the other things, and this is a surprise here, I'm going to go ahead and show you my Tripltek. Now I've already unboxed it and set it up. Here's the box that it came in from Tripltek. And here's the tablet itself. Let's go ahead and power this on. Takes a minute to come up here. As the screen's loading, you can see right here I have the DJI Fly app on my main page. There is a screen recorder that is built into this. However, I'm going to download AZ screen recorder. That way you can tell when it's on when you have the DJI Fly app open. I've downloaded a minimum number of apps to this, which will really help when it's out in the field when I'm using this. So, and then also there is, for the back, there are screws to go ahead and attach this hand holder for it, but I have ordered from our good friend Original Dobo a minimal tablet holder, so we're going to also try that in conjunction with this tablet holder from DJI. We're going to see what's going to go ahead and be best here. So so that's it for the unboxing of the Mavic 3, and we also looked at the controller tablet holder and an extra battery. Question of the day. What do you think of the DJI Mavic 3 Unboxing Plus? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.